I just was sent this portable water flosser and it's super cool. I just used it for the first time. I love how easy it is to grip with one hand and how it doesn't take up a ton of space on your counter. You can even use this in the shower. How awesome is that? Okay, so how to use it. First, you're gonna preset whether you want it on low, medium, or high, and you use this button down here. So they suggest starting with low and then work your way up to medium and high. You wanna hit that first before this, because when this turns on, it just sprays. And it has from 20 to 115 PSI. So I made the mistake of course, hitting the top button, even though I read the directions and it went all over my bathroom mirror. And then I just wiped it off. But yeah, you wanna hit this once it's in your mouth, and then you just line it up. You go along your gum line and you go at 90 degrees. Again, you're gonna be leaning over a sink when you're doing this, and you hit that on button once it's in your mouth. So I was able to use the medium and the high settings for my teeth, but again, you start at low. You're gonna also get a charger and the plug-in too. There's a little carry case, so this is great for travel if you wanna take this traveling. And then you get a ton of different tips for it as well, and they all come in this little plastic container. So you get all kinds of different ones. There's even a tongue scraper in there, so you can scrape your tongue while using your water flosser. So all different size ones. I think if you're looking for a really good water flosser and you want something that's mobile and reusable, rechargeable, but also not gonna be like big and bulky, this is a great one to try.